Hello there, crocheters. So today we're going to make this glove. It's a mesh glove as an accessory for a dress, and it doesn't matter the hook and the yarn you're using, because you're going to make this chain that is equal to the length of your wrist. So I'm using a 3.5mm hook and a medium weight yarn, but then whichever yarn and whichever hook you're using, make sure you chain until you're able to get the length of your wrist. So I'm going to chain 30. Targeting a chain of 30, make sure that it fits perfectly on your wrist. Just try it on, make sure it fits perfectly on your wrist. So this is going to be the part right here. So after making a chain of 30, what you're going to do, we're going to join to the very first chain over here, so that you make a circle like this. And the other thing I forgot to tell you guys, make sure your chain is a multiple of 5. Make sure your chain is a multiple of 5. So I made a chain of 30. So after that, I'm going to join it like that. So I have a circle. And then I'm going to make chain 1 and make a row of 1 single crochet. So you do 1 single crochet all round until you come back to where you started. 1 single crochet in every stitch all round. And then when you get to the last stitch, you're going to join on top of that chain 1, join with a slip stitch, and then from here now we're going to start our mesh. So you're going to chain 5, turn your work, so you skip 4 stitch and then you do a single crochet on the 5th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you do a single crochet on the 5th stitch, chain 5 again, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, do a single crochet on the 5th stitch, chain 5 again, skip 4 stitches, and then do a single crochet on the 5th, like that all round. So I realized I skipped 3 instead of 4 at the beginning, so I corrected that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is the 6th space, because I had a chain of 30 divided by 5, that is 6. So you can just do that to confirm that you're on the right track. And then on the last one, I'll just do it right where I did the first chain. I'll do the last single crochet like that. Yeah. And then after that, you do again 5, chain 5, do a single crochet now inside the space, chain 5, do a single crochet inside the space, the next space, like that. So now you'll go round while doing the single crochet inside the spaces, and I'll do that until I get 4 rows. Then after 4 rows, we'll do the area for the thumb and then continue to the elbow. So right here I did 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So I want to make the area where I'll insert the thumb, because as you can see, this one right here is a little bigger than the other ones. So instead of making a chain of 5, I'll make a chain of 10 for the thumb area. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then you'll continue doing a single crochet the same way, and then the rest of the others you just do 5, and then from now onwards you just continue going in the spiral. You'll continue going round with a single crochet in every space and a chain of 5. When you get to the area where we did the thumb, you just do a single crochet, chain 5, and then you just continue, and then you just go round and round until you get to your elbow, or until you get to the length that you want your glove to be. So for me, I did a total of 25 rows, and it is almost until to my elbow area. I did 25 rows, so you can just do it as long as you want, and that is just it. It's a really simple pattern, and I'd like to see how yours looks. So you'll continue on and on until you are able to get to the length. So I just wanted to try on. So this is where I inserted the thumb. So I'll just be going on and on until I get 25 rows where my elbow is. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.